Okay, so this one comes in from Anessa. This is one of her PayPal requests. We are currently live on Twitch, YouTube world. If you guys want to be part of the next time we go live on Twitch, come hang out with us. Have a really good time. A lot of laughs, a lot of great tunes. Yeah. Check out the links in the description. Go follow, go turn on notifications, go do all that stuff so you don't miss it. We have a lot of fun. All right, let's jump into it. Tommy Johansson, Phantom of the Opera. If you guys don't know, this is the lead guitarist from Sabaton. He is a ridiculously talented young man. And yeah, let's get into it. What was that? My computer's having a seizure.
In sleep he sang to me, in dreams he came. That voice which calls to me and speaks my name. And do I dream again? For now I find the phantom of the opera is there inside my mind.
Is that really an organ? Does he really have an organ in this right now? Oh man, that sounds epic.
Sing once again with me, a strange duet. My power over you grows stronger yet. And though you turn from me to glance behind, the phantom of the opera is there inside your mind.
That's crazy. That's a pretty low note for him to hit that well, considering he's like, you know, shattered my eyeglasses into my eyeballs in previous performances. He can go to pretty high. Pretty high. I don't appreciate the hair though, you know. It's a little offensive, I'm not gonna lie. I might call your manager. I haven't decided yet, but I'll let you finish the song.
Phantom of the opera is there inside your mind. Those who have seen your face draw back in fear. I am the mask you wear. It's me they hear.
Dude, I always forget to ask somebody or look it up. Is he on all the instruments? I think he is. I'm pretty sure he is. Whoever it is, on the drums right now? Wow. No. I gotta get these away from my my cornea. Nope, not today, Satan. Oh no. He screamed himself into another dimension. Oh no, son of a Mitch. You hate to see it. Dream Ocean featuring Tommy Johansson, the Phantom of the Opera. I was gonna say I thought I clicked on the wrong one for a second there. That was what I've come to expect from Tommy. Really not much else to say. That was incredible. That was incredible. The man is like a rock and roll Swiss Army knife. Just, you know, figure out what it is you need and just pull that tool out. Not like that. You guys are so immature. Have a good night, everybody. YouTube family. Again, come hang out with us on Twitch next time. We have a lot of fun, okay? Lose our minds a little bit. Not me, obviously, but everybody else does. And yeah, it's fun. So follow, subscribe, notifications on all the platforms. Have a great night, guys. Peace out.